Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate random IMEI number of your Motorola Edge 70. Okay, first we need to open up our phone app to find out what is our IMEI number. Type asterisk hashtag 06 hashtag and simply type this code in this bar. Your IMEI, not mine. I'm just showing you where to find it. Click on check. As you can see, our Edge 70 appeared. Now we need to scroll down until we find the basic checks. They are for free. Click on random IMEI generator and click on generate. Okay, and now as you can see, 10 random IMEI numbers has been successfully generated. You can copy each code, each number by clicking on that icon, or you can copy all of them if you click on copy all IMEIs. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.